iPhone SE2, new details about the state employee appeared on the network. The smartphone will get a cool stuffing and a low price tag. We already know that Apple is working on the next generation iPhone 12 and AirPods. For those who don't know, the company is also working on a successor to the iPhone SE. Apple iPhone SE2 will be shown to the public in 2020, and this news has pleased millions of users. In addition, the device will look somewhat similar to the iPhone 8. As for the prices, they will ask for $400 for a smartphone. It is expected that the smartphone will be released in March, that is, in the first quarter of 2020. According to the specifications, the smartphone can come with 3 GB of RAM and 128 GB of memory. Let's see what other leaks will appear on the network, and there will be enough of them to add up the general picture of the new device. Recall that Xiaomi introduced a smart dryer for the bathroom. The gadget has received unusual features such as towel disinfection and air purification. This gadget will cost only $42.